beautiful blue jay. These noisy, striking birds are found in Will County year-round, preferring forested areas with oak trees. Even so, blue jays are frequent visitors to feeders and are a common sight in suburban and urban areas. Unlike most songbirds, male and female blue jays are virtually identical. Males are slightly larger, but not enough that it makes it easy to distinguish them from females. Blue jays have a varied diet. They primarily eat insects, nuts, and seeds, but they're also known to steal eggs and nestlings from other birds' nests. Acorns are a favorite food, so much so that blue jays are credited with aiding in the spread of oak trees after the last glacial period. Want these birds to visit your feeders? They cautiously visit peanut wreaths, but you can also try tray or hopper feeders. Their favorite feeder foods are peanuts, sunflower seeds, and suet.